If you have ADHD, there's a pattern you might not even realize that you're stuck in. So your brain is constantly seeking stimuli. It seeks novelty, intensity, and really quick rewards. That's not a personality flaw, okay? I used to think that was the case with me. It's actually part of how ADHD affects neural activity, especially in your brain's reward circuitry. So when you combine that with something powerful like pornography, hyperstimuli, which delivers instant novelty, endless variety, all these rapid dopamine spikes as you click from genre to genre, you end up with the perfect storm. And actually, research shows that individuals with ADHD are significantly more likely to engage in hypersexual behaviors. And this is largely due to our impulsivity and sensation seeking. So, those are two core features of ADHD. They make it so much harder for us to pause and reflect and choose differently in the moment. But there's actually another layer that's even more important that I want to talk about, and that's hypersexual behavior. And that often functions as a form of emotional regulation. So when your mind is overwhelmed and when you're anxious or when you're restless or when you're mentally drained, your brain starts looking for relief. And sexual stimuli provides one of the fastest ways to change your internal state, right? So what starts as curiosity or habit gradually becomes a coping strategy. And that's why it feels so hard to stop, okay? You're not just giving up a behavior, you're removing something that your brain has actually learned to rely on to feel better. You're taking away your brain's medication, and it's a guaranteed medication. It always works, right? But without a replacement, the brain pushes you right back into the same loop. So this is why you can be completely committed to quitting your behavior and you still find yourself slipping. You could even be doing so in a relationship and you still go back to porn or step out on your partner because commitment alone doesn't rewire your conditioning. So over time, this cycle can affect everything in your life, like your ability to focus decreases, your motivation might drop, your real life experiences can start feeling less engaging compared to the constant, stimulation that you've trained your brain to expect. And what does that do? Well, you just get frustrated. And again, it feeds into the cycle. You see how you stay stuck? Well, our program, Porn Reboot, is designed to break that pattern at its core, okay? So we don't tell you to resist harder or use willpower, but we help you understand exactly what's happening inside your brain, and then we give you the tools to change it. So basically, you learn how to reduce your dependence on artificial stimuli. You learn how to rebuild your sensitivity to real world rewards like intimacy. And you learn how to develop control in those moments that typically you would just feel completely powerless and out of control. And the goal isn't to stop you from watching pornography. Our goal for individuals with ADHD is to eliminate your need for depending on it while helping you manage your ADHD. And if you're interested in learning more about this, I'd invite you to join our workshop with our ADHD experts, Dr. Howard Rankin. I'll be in the workshop as well. I'll be one of the facilitators. You can click on the link and join the workshop. I'll see you on the other side.